Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jeff Amen here. Hey, a lot of you guys have been asking me how I create my splash pages, and so I want to show you exactly how I do it. Now, I highly recommend creating your own splash pages. That way, you can stand out from the rest, and you can create splash pages, or with the software, you can create opt-in pages as well. Real quick, I'm just going to teach you about Landing Page Monkey. It's $37 a year. Now, if you compare that to other sites, you're really not going to find a better deal than that. So $37 per year, you can create unlimited capture pages, beautiful capture pages, pages that get clicks, right? And that's the most important thing, pages that convert. So I'm just going to show you how easy this is. Let's just say the landing page. We're just going to do a test here. You can have your box, your opt-in box or main box, left, middle, or right. We're just going to go middle for now. You can have box animations that actually get people's attention. So we're just going to rotate in there. And what's cool is you can add a background image. And what I like to do is I like to use GIFs. And these are just pictures that, as you can see, just go over and over and over again. It's like on a loop. So you just would copy that image address. You could just type in anything you wanted, like ocean GIF or beach GIF or whatever kind of background you would want. And then we would just paste that in the background image like that. And we're actually going to do a splash page right now. So your step one button would be the first page. And so we're going to put hyperlink. And then we would just go and copy our prosperity marketing system URL. And then we would type it right in there. So we're good there. Now we can upload an image. So you can either go above the headline or below the headline. And then we would just upload. And so I'm going to upload a pic of me and my son. And then you have your headline. And so your headline goes there, and we can just put, all right, this system rocks. Check it out. Of course, that's the most terrible headline of all time. You can put whatever you want. And then these two boxes are if you're going to do a two-step. And what I mean by two-step is people would click, and then another box shows up, and I'll show you that in a minute. But right now, I'm just going to show you the splash page. And they got simple and they got advanced. What's cool about this is the advanced, I always keep box delay at 0. I don't want to keep people waiting to see my opt-in form or splash page form. You can change the box transparency so you can actually see the image in the background more. You can put a shadow on it. You can just, let's do a light shadow. You can do a border color. You can do anything you want. But let's just look what we have so far. That was easy. It took a few minutes. And now let's look what we have. You can preview it. And imagine your headline there, your sub headline there. Of course, you can do different colors. You can make it pop out. You can put whatever text you want on your button. And you've got your own page. And it directs directly to your prosperity marketing system. Of course, I'm logged in right now, so it goes to my back office, but let me show you. Let me sign out. All right. Now let's go back, preview it. There I am. And of course, you can make your box thinner, you can make it wider. Everything is customizable here. It's so easy to use. And it goes straight to your any affiliate URL you want. Now let's just take a look. If we weren't to do the hyperlink, you can also do opt-ins. So if you wanted to collect opt-ins directly, you would just click that, and then you can put in additional opt-in below. And then of course you can put in any autoresponder. It connects to any autoresponder. I am using it right now. just for splash pages though, because I use a splash page and then I connect directly to Prosperity. So opt-in below, check it out, whatever. And I'll just show you what a two-step opt-in looks like if you wanted to do this. Let's go to preview. So you'd click there, and then you would have your box, and you could keep the picture on this page if you wanted. But this, where if you integrated your autoresponder, then your sign up form would be there and all that kind of good stuff. But like I say, I'm using this primarily for, I've used it for the two-step opt-in in the past, but primarily right now I'm just using it for splash pages. This is how I'm building all your pages. You can create unlimited pages, so you can test as many as you want. Highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended. Like I say, it's $37 per year. A lot of you guys have been asking how I made yours, so this is what I wanted to show you. So you can grab it. Like I say, for $37 a year, it's a great value. And if you have any questions about it, then you can just contact me and I'll help you out. All right, have a great one. Bye-bye.